The future of AI agents. As AI agents continue to evolve, they are becoming more capable, autonomous, and integrated into various industries and everyday life. Advances in artificial intelligence, particularly in areas such as deep learning, reinforcement learning, and natural language processing, are driving the development of increasingly sophisticated agents. These systems can not only perform tasks autonomously, but also learn, adapt, and collaborate with humans and other agents. In this chapter, we will explore the current trends shaping the future of AI agents and the potential applications of general AI in autonomous systems. Current trends and innovations in AI agents. Several key trends and innovations are shaping the future of AI agents. 1. Advancements in natural language processing, NLP. One of the most significant trends in AI is the improvement in NLP technologies, allowing agents to better understand, interpret, and generate human language. With models like GPT-4, AI agents are increasingly able to engage in meaningful, multi-turn conversations, making them more effective in customer service, personal assistance, and collaborative environments. These advancements are also expanding the role of conversational agents in industries such as healthcare, education, and business. 2. Multi-agent systems and collaboration. The future of AI agents will see an increase in the development of multi-agent systems, where multiple agents work together to achieve shared goals. These agents can communicate, share information, and coordinate their actions in real time, making them ideal for tasks that are too complex for a single agent. For example, multi-agent systems are already being used in fields such as logistics and supply chain management, where different agents manage various aspects of the operation, from inventory to transportation. 3. Reinforcement learning and autonomous decision-making. Reinforcement learning is a key area of innovation for AI agents, allowing them to learn from their environment through trial and error and improve their decision-making over time. This approach is being used in applications such as robotics, where agents can learn to navigate complex environments and perform tasks with minimal human input. The continued development of reinforcement learning will enable AI agents to become even more autonomous, adapting to new challenges and optimizing their actions based on real-time feedback. 4. AI ethics and explainability. As AI agents become more integrated into critical industries, there is a growing focus on ethical AI and the need for transparency and explainability in agent decision-making. Researchers and developers are working to ensure that AI systems operate fairly, avoid biases, and make decisions that are understandable and justifiable. This trend is particularly important in sectors such as healthcare and finance, where AI agents may make life-changing decisions. 5. Human-AI collaboration. Another important trend is the increasing collaboration between humans and AI agents. Rather than replacing human workers, AI agents are being designed to augment human capabilities, handling repetitive tasks while allowing people to focus on more creative or strategic work. This human-AI synergy is particularly relevant in areas like customer service, healthcare, and education, where AI agents can assist professionals by providing real-time information or automating routine tasks. Potential applications of general AI in autonomous systems. The future of AI agents also includes the possibility of general AI, an AI system with the ability to perform any intellectual task that a human can do. While current AI agents are designed for specific tasks, the development of general AI could lead to more versatile and adaptable systems that can operate across various domains without needing extensive retraining. 1. Autonomous transportation. General AI could revolutionize the field of autonomous transportation, enabling vehicles to navigate complex environments, respond to changing conditions, and make decisions with the same flexibility as human drivers. While current self-driving cars are limited by the scope of their programming, a general AI system could adapt to new cities, road rules, or weather conditions without needing pre-programmed instructions. This would significantly enhance the safety and efficiency of autonomous transportation systems. 2. Healthcare diagnostics and personalized treatment. General AI has the potential to transform healthcare by providing more accurate and personalized diagnoses. An AI agent with general intelligence could analyze a wide variety of medical data, such as genetic information, lifestyle factors, and medical history, to offer personalized treatment plans that are tailored to individual patients. This would go beyond current AI-driven diagnostics, which are often limited to specific diseases or conditions, and provide a holistic view of patient health. 3. Smart cities and infrastructure management. In the future, general AI could play a key role in managing smart cities, where AI agents coordinate everything from traffic flow to energy distribution. By integrating data from multiple sources, a general AI system could optimize city infrastructure in real time, reducing congestion, minimizing energy waste, and improving public services. Such systems could adapt to the unique needs of different cities, making urban environments more efficient, sustainable, and livable. 4. Advanced robotics and automation. General AI could also enable more advanced robotics, where machines can perform a wider range of tasks in dynamic and unstructured environments. For example, a general AI-powered robot could work in a factory, assist in disaster relief, or even operate in space exploration without needing specific programming for each task. This adaptability would significantly expand the range of applications for autonomous robots in both industrial and public sectors. 5. AI in research and innovation. General AI could contribute to scientific research and innovation by analyzing vast amounts of data, identifying patterns, and even generating hypotheses. These AI agents could assist researchers in discovering new materials, treatments, or technologies at a much faster rate than human researchers alone. For example, in drug discovery, general AI agents could analyze complex biological data to identify potential treatments for diseases that are currently difficult to cure. The future of AI agents is full of potential, with trends such as improved NLP, multi-agent collaboration, and reinforcement learning leading the way. The development of general AI could take these innovations to the next level, enabling autonomous systems that can operate flexibly across various industries and tasks. While general AI remains a long-term goal, the advancements being made in AI agents today are already transforming industries and shaping the future of technology.